Happy New Year all. It's week 2 of Jan and the lads have been going hard. Let's not pretend I've done any of this work, so let's clear that up first up. We're going to be showing you the build along the way. We started with a bare chassis end of last year from 73 up the road, so an advanced manufacturing facility, and then it comes here, the lads do a bit of prep work, then off to paint, and then it's back to get fitted out. So we're going to grab Geordie. So Geordie, end of last year, where did we start? We had bare chassis. What was first to go on the car?
Yeah, so we get the bare chassis back from paint. We fit off some nut plates and stuff, and then we basically start the internal hard lines, brake lines, air jack lines, start laying some wiring harnesses in. The start of January, we've been working on all these inner carbon panels, get the roof fitted off. That's pretty much where we're at. We're a little bit off from a seat. We're waiting for some mounts and things like that. But once they get here, the seat will go in here. Mitchie's been working on a lot of the interior carbon, driver comfort stuff, pedal box, leg protection, things like that. Each of us kind of do different jobs, and we do the same job across the 3 cars, so they end up the same as well.
All right, you might notice that we're missing a vital component here in the engine. So this year, new for 888, 2026, we are the Ford engine supplier to all the Mustangs. This is just a quick sneak peek. So we've got Kaz and Brent working away, so they built the engines. If you have a look at this engine, it's actually a really beast of an engine. It's physically massive. It's much larger than the previous engine we had, so that has its own challenges in the car. But it's an impressive engine. We'll come and introduce you to Kaz. So Kaz, how many of these beasts have we built so far, mate?
We're up to engine 8 at the moment. 9 and 10 are next on the line, so yeah, 7 all done, ready to go.
Perfect. So the lads here do the whole thing. So they'll get the parts from Ford America, the blocks, the heads, the cranks. They'll prep them. A lot of detail goes into building a race engine. It's not the same as a road car engine. So today we'll be loading car 88 into the Red Bull Ampol transporter and sending that to the Bathurst 12 hour. So each manufacturer will have a car running around there so we can do some extra parity checks. So that's a really good initiative of supercars. All right, shortly we'll be loading the transporter here. So car 88 will go on these top ramps. Through here will be all toolboxes, pit crew suits, etc. So this will be jam-packed. It's a big game of Tetris to get this packed right. It's a little bit ahead of schedule for S&P, but as we said, this is going to the 12 hour first. So car 888 and car 11 will go in their transporter and go straight to S&P later in the week.